Hello, sweet little learners. It's Miss Hake, and we are going to do a life cycle of a frog over the next couple of days. So I want you to watch these videos about frogs. They're really cool, and they have a life cycle, just like we discussed with a butterfly. So check out some of the things I'm going to use to make my life cycle. So I've got my cardboard here, and that's what I'm going to put my life cycle on. But I've got these really cool gems here, and what do they remind you of in the life cycle? Which part? Did you say eggs? Yes, I'm going to cluster them, and I'm going to glue them on, and I'm going to write eggs. Then what comes next after the eggs? Do you remember? Tadpole. Okay, so we're going to make a tadpole, and I thought I was going to use my green Play-Doh, and I was going to push my green, look at this, green beads into there to make a tadpole. What comes after the tadpole? Do you remember? Froglet. Yeah, I can make a froglet out of here, and I'm going to draw it, and then a frog. And I'm not too sure what I'm going to make my frog out of, but I'm going to look around and see what I have. Now, over the next couple days, you're going to be able to make your life cycle and label it, and then you can show and share. So take your time. Maybe do some eggs in the tadpole today, write it out, and maybe do some frogs and froglets tomorrow. So instructors, educators, parents, put out lots of different things that they could use to make their life cycles. If you need to put out some templates for frogs for them to color glue on, amazing. If not, let's see what they can come up with on their own. And that's kind of the fun of kindergarten, right? Having their own ideas and making their own things. So put out a lot of different manipulatives and see what happens. All right, have so much fun making your frog life cycle and then showing and sharing. And then maybe after you can act it out. You can start off as a little egg, be a tadpole, a little froglet, and then turn into a frog and leap around. Have so much fun with this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.